welcome to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make my tilapia that I make in the oven. I don't really know what to call it. I guess tilapia with veggies. I'm not sure, but you're going to bake this in like a little aluminum foil packet, which, let me tell you, is amazing because the cleanup there is no cleanup. It goes in the trash. So that's my favorite kind of cleanup. So the first thing you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 380 degrees, and then I'm going to run you through what you're going to need to make this. So you're going to need tilapia. You can use whatever fish you like. I just think that tilapia works really well for this recipe. You're going to need lemon. So I use half a wedge for each slice of fish. Salt, pepper, celery, and then onions, which I kind of just cut into like half moons because I want them to really steam in that pocket and just get nice and soft. So if they're bigger, they're just a lot easier to eat. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to salt and pepper both sides of your fish, not your pepper. Okay. There we go. And you want to make sure you do both sides so that both sides are flavored, not just the top. I love the smell of celery, and it's just, even though it's not cooking, I can smell it just from over here. Okay, so you're gonna put your fish in your little pocket, like so. And then what I do is I make a little boat right now. So when I put the juice of the lemon in there, it's not gonna go all over the place. So you're gonna take a little sprinkle of the lemon right now. Not all of it, because we're gonna cover the veggies with it too. So you just want to kind of sprinkle it over, and then you're going to top the fish with your celery and onion mixture. Now I'm making this for me and my friend, and she loves onions, so I'm putting a little bit of extra in there for her because typically I wouldn't do as many in there, but I figure I aim to please, guys. All right, so this is gonna be her pocket because it's gonna have lots of onions. So then what I do now is I kind of make a little seal for them because you want them to steam in there really nicely. So kind of make it into a ball or so, but you want to make sure that you're not pressing it down flat, that there's still air in here, okay? And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other fish. Oh, I forgot to put lemon in this one. The joys of cooking. I was so excited about the fish that I forgot to lemon it. Okay, we're gonna put the rest of the lemon in here, guys. There we go. Oops, I dropped the little seed in there. And if seeds go in there, don't worry about it because they're big enough where you can see them and pick them out. So, okay, and there we go. Now we can wrap this back up. There we go. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Okay, now on to the other one. A little bit of juice. Kind of flavor it before the veggies. Celery. And then the rest of my onions. And then the juice of the lime. Ooh. Okay. Let me just get a paper towel. Gonna seal this up. So this is going to go into your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the size of your fillet. It's going to vary in cooking time. So the smaller, the less you'll cook. the longer you cook. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what they look like when they're done, okay? Okay, so my fish was in the oven for about 26, I would say like 27 minutes. And I'm gonna open it right now. This is my piece, the other one's my friend's because it's got tons of onions. The only thing I would say is be careful because A, the aluminum is hot, the aluminum foil, and also, watch this. The steam's gonna come out, see? So you don't wanna burn yourself. So kind of let the steam come out and then open. Because we don't want you getting a steamy facial. But, oh, it's stuck. Look at that. It smells divine, but look at the fish. Look at that. How beautiful is that? I know it's steaming right now, but oh, it smells out of this world. I'm gonna try a little piece. Actually, let me grab it with the piece of celery. Perfect. So soft, almost like melts in your mouth. And then the flavors from the veggies really kind of soaked into the fish. Delicious. So go to www.thelazygirlskitchen.com to get the written recipe for this and many others. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.